Over 200 tons of plastic waste is dumped into landfills every year in Sri Lanka. And just imagine how much does it gonna affect to the environment, the nature, the wildlife and even the humans. Don't you think that we should take action for this, and being humans and having a good understanding rather than the wildlife doesn't mean we could ruin our planet. And I'm not trying to say stop using all the plastic products, but it's about the recycling, and every small step is making a big difference. This is a recyclable plantable pen made with paper, and I bought this once I went to book festival with one of my best friend. Obviously this video isn't sponsored, but we should be responsible to protect our environment. This video isn't about the pen. This is the action that I could take as a teenager. As a teenagers, we have the power to make a difference. Every small step counts to make a difference, and every small step counts. Let's be more responsible and protect our planet for the future.